Millie Planis is a Cape Coral mother of a 2-year-old and a sister of a teenage boy. While at the Bell Tower movie theater, she saw something that disturbed her. A video game in the lobby, Time Crisis 3, in which you hold a gun and shoot the enemy.
I was shocked. I was appalled.
Planis questions whether a family establishment like a movie theater is appropriate for games like this.
My concern is, in the movies, there's already enough violence.
Our cameras captured video games at several movie theaters in Southwest Florida, at Bell Tower, Gulf Coast Town Center, and Coconut Point. Even those with warnings on the screen and those marked with a sticker reading, "Animated Violence Strong."
I've noticed, too, as I go to the movie theaters, that there are games available and accessible to children that might not be appropriate.
Dr. Russ Sabella, who writes books about kids and technology, says it's concerning because most parents think about violent video games in their homes, but not at movie theaters.
When kids play these types of violent games, and especially when it is they play games from a first-person perspective, so these are games where it looks as if they are holding the gun, they are doing the shooting and creating the damage. But there's evidence of psychological and physical arousal and increased aggression.
We did some checking and found the content in coin-operated video games has little regulation. So what are movie theaters doing to regulate themselves? We took our findings to Regal Theaters, the largest theater group in the United States with screens at Bell Tower and Gulf Coast Town Center.
We do take this very seriously, and we realize that lots of different people have different opinions regarding various video games.
Before placing a game in a theater, it has to pass this 6-point checklist, meaning it can't be too sexual, too violent, or have foul language. So what about Time Crisis 3?
And it does have blood and guts. There is shooting in it.
There is shooting, correct, but as I understand, there is no death, that characters disappear, that they blink and then dissolve away.
You don't have to show blood. You don't have to show heads flying off their bodies. No, it's pretty much you are making a point, and the point is you're shooting to kill.
Millie says the movie theater and game industries need to do a better job of regulating games.
View what's going on. Look at society right now. Society is not stable.
But Dr. Sabella says it's not up to corporate America, it's up to parents to look out for those stickers and any violent games.
That it boils down to choices that the kids make, even when no one's looking, and their parents.
I'm Kara Kenny for the 7 o'clock news.